Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja DoubleStack XL air fryer timer keeps resetting? Let's fix it right away. No filler. First, check that your air fryer is plugged into a stable power source. Power interruptions can cause the timer to reset unexpectedly. Try using a different outlet or a surge protector to ensure consistent power supply. Next, ensure you're setting the timer correctly. Double-check the steps in your user manual to confirm you're following the proper procedure for selecting and starting the timer. After that, reset your Ninja DoubleStack XL by unplugging it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and test it again. A reset clears temporary glitches and gives the internal systems a fresh start. If the timer still resets, inspect the control panel for any visible damage or debris. Dust or grease buildup can interfere with the touchscreen or buttons. Clean it gently with a soft, damp cloth to remove any residue. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, there could be a deeper problem with the internal timer mechanism or software. In this case, contact customer support or consult a professional technician for further assistance. And there you go. Your Ninja DoubleStack XL timer should now stay set. If these steps don't work, reach out to customer support for further help. We've added the link for the user manual in the description of the video.